Hello, welcome back. Let's create this posterized pop art looking image for your images in Photoshop, where this image will be converted into a cartoony version of it with, you know, the objects that build up the picture with Sharpie edges, just like this, and then we're going to be coloring it with two colors. So, drag any image into Photoshop, and then all we have to do now is to head over to Image, Adjustments, Black and White. To decolorize the picture, click on OK. Click on Image, Adjustments, and then Levels. Make sure that we have enough white area, just like this, and some midtones, and increase the amount of shadows as well by dragging this slider just like this. And then once we're done, and then we can click on OK. To make it cartoony or posterized, so that, you know, it looks like a 2D image, a 2D version of this image in posters, click on Image, Adjustments, and then head over to Posterize. You can decrease the amount so that, you know, you have less, you know, smoothness for the image, just like this. And then click on OK when you're done. Ooh, yeah, looking two-dimensional now. Let's put some colors by clicking on Image, Adjustments, and then Gradient Map. So this will be the color of the shadows. Well, let's change it into dark blue, for example. For the highlights, let's say if we want to pick, you know, red, just like this. You can choose any colors. You can choose any color for the shadows and the highlights. I personally pick light red as the highlights and dark blue as the shadows. Once you're done, click on OK, click on OK. Ooh, fancy. You can put it as part of your poster, your advertisements, or for your artworks that require pop art look. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.